Welcome to Austria, a land of alpine peaks, classical music, and royal elegance. Nestled in the heart of Central Europe, Austria shares its borders with 8 countries, including Germany, Italy, Switzerland, and Hungary. It's a landlocked nation, but packed with breathtaking landscapes. The capital, Vienna, is known for its grand palaces, rich culture, and cozy coffee houses. Austria is home to about 9 million people, speaks German, and uses the euro as its currency. Austria is a federal parliamentary republic. The president is Alexander van der Bellen, and the government is led by a chancellor. It's a member of the European Union, the United Nations, and a respected voice in global diplomacy. The economy is strong, driven by industries such as machinery, tourism, chemicals, and of course, classical music and culture. Nature lovers will fall in love with Austria's stunning geography. The majestic Alps cover more than 60% of the country, offering incredible skiing in places like Tyrol and Salzburg. The Danube River flows gracefully through cities and valleys. Lakes like Hallstatter See and Wolfgang See are serene and magical. Austria is also home to national parks like Hohe Tauern, one of the largest protected areas in the Alps. Austrian culture blends elegance and tradition. Roman Catholicism is the main religion, but the country is highly tolerant and secular. Austrians celebrate heritage through festivals featuring traditional clothing like lederhosen and dirndls. This is the birthplace of musical legends like Mozart, Schubert, and Strauss, and you can feel their spirit in every opera house and concert hall. Austria loves a good celebration. Famous events include the Vienna Philharmonic's New Year's concert, the Salzburg Festival, and the sparkling Christmas markets in almost every city. And did you know the snow globe was invented in Vienna? Hungry? Try the legendary Wiener Schnitzel, a crispy breaded veal cutlet, or apple strudel with a side of whipped cream. Austrian desserts are divine. Don't miss Sackertorte, a rich chocolate cake served in the famous Hotel Sacher. And coffee? It's a serious business. Cafes here are places of tradition, elegance, and conversation. When it comes to sports, skiing is the national obsession. Austria produces world-class winter athletes and regularly hosts alpine skiing championships. Football is also popular, and the country has hosted major international events. Tourists are drawn to Austria for good reason. Explore Schönbrunn Palace and its gardens, take a musical journey through Salzburg, ride the giant Ferris wheel in Vienna's Prater Park, hike through alpine meadows, visit medieval castles, or enjoy a concert in a candlelit cathedral. Whether you're into nature, music, pastries, or just peaceful vibes, Austria has something special for you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.